What is up, YouTube? Today we are here in the most chaotic place imaginable. Yes, Chicago, Illinois, where everybody that is rude lives. Trust me, home transplant here, and I moved the hell out the second I had a chance. You guys are rude as hell, and you need to get it together. But we are here in my home local spot. As long as we don't get robbed or shot, right? That's always been the MO over here. And we're gonna try to go down and catch some fish. Gonna put on the waders. It's rainy, it's windy. I'd be shocked if there's no one else down there, but I took the whatever it is drive, and we're gonna try our luck at fishing for largemouth bass in the Chicago River North Branch, where the North Shore Channel collides. Stay tuned. I know you don't want to watch me get dressed, so stay tuned and we'll get right back at ya once we're all set up. Alrighty, we have everything ready to go. So, without further ado, let's do it. This is the beautiful bridge connecting West River Park with East River Park. And this is the North Branch of the Chicago River, and it runs right into the North Shore Channel, flowing all the way down to create the North Branch, going all the way down to downtown and further on into the South Branch. North Park University to the left, an urban oasis. Please be respectful of your environment and please do not litter. And it begins. Please don't litter, guys. Alright, simple straight-tailed TRD. This profile typically mimics almost anything. Crayfish, leech, baitfish, I mean, whatever you can imagine. Outside of a tube, one of the most versatile lures you could probably ever use. So, given that it's so cold today, we're going to fluctuate between this and the black and blue TRD. And we're going to see if we can catch any fish. We are here on a day after about a week of 80 degrees. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful April. And now we are, well, dropped down to the 40s, and we are expecting snow tomorrow. So, as you see me trying to tie this polymer knot, one of the strongest knots you can ever tie, by the way, struggling to do so because my hands are actually very cold. It is cold out here. It's really, really windy, really, really chilly, and we are coming out to try to catch some bass. Typically don't get a fish on the most beautiful of days, but I'm always up for a good challenge. So today we are here at my usual Chicago River old spot. I no longer live in the city, so I can't call it my home body of water anymore. But the amount of hours I logged, I can definitely, possibly still manage something. But we're here, we're gonna toss this on 4-pound test, finesse fishing in a sense, and we are gonna catch some bass. Stay tuned and let's do this. Here we are. Just had to slow it down a little bit today. There we are guys. Beautiful Chicago river bass out here at the spot. Had a downsize 4-pound test and a TRD. 40 degrees today. 80s the last few days. So I guess it's a cold front. Let's go. Bunch of small males. Got one, guys. On the jerkbait, baby. Yeah. Yeah, boy. That feels really good. Really good. I think it's a Berkeley. Let's see. Berkeley hit stick 11. Nice. This feels good. Again, a bunch of really small males. So I can see on a good day someone coming out here probably popping like about 40 of these guys easily. When these guys go up like that, they're very aggressive. Awesome fish going in. There's one. Right in front of us, guys. I'm telling you, when you got this many fish schooled up, this is probably one of the most productive ways. They just can't resist it. I just started throwing this thing and I already got 2 small males. The temperature did drop about 40 degrees today. It feels extremely freezing cold out here, I'm not gonna lie to you, but you know, the hardcore guys still make it do when they have to. So this is a really nice fish. We were just tossing a jerkbait and they're hitting it on the paws. Small males staging to spawn. Doesn't even look like they're building nests yet. A lot of times you'll see the red on the bottom when they're starting to build nests. So they're just staging to spawn. It's been a crazy year. Again, all week 80 degrees. Now we are in the 40s. I am actually freezing my ass off, I'm not gonna lie to you, but going in for the release. All right, guys, and with that we are out. Let me get on some solid footing and then we'll do our outro. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to send this video to a friend if they don't like fishing. I guarantee you they will start. Today we came out a random hour-and-a-half outing. We caught, I believe, about 4 fish, 2 on the TRD, 2 on the jerkbait. The temperature has dropped about 40 degrees. It is freezing cold, but beautiful nonetheless. Any day to fish is a beautiful day. Grateful to get out, grateful to catch fish. Thank you guys for watching again. Please subscribe. Peace. Dinner is gonna be served. Just have to make some appetizers.